Okay, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the Authorpreneur Community online within our platform, which is hosted by Kajabi. You can join this through your computer, your laptop, or you can also join through an app that you download through the Android Play Store or through Apple apps. And so when you download the actual app, you can work from this on your phone. It's really handy. You can even join the meetings, answer the polls, everything you can do here on the desktop, you can do on your phone. And I will also show you that at the end of this video. So stay tuned. If you're using your phone, I'll give a little bit of a rundown on how to do that. So first thing, when you first log in, you're going to get an email after you've been signed up or you sign up that you have a login, and then you'll need to change your password. So you'll come in here, see something similar. It might look a little different than this, but basically you're logging into Kajabi to get into the community. And so you'll go ahead and sign in. If you remember your password, you won't have to keep entering it. You can go to the website as well, and you should see at the top a link to my library. That is also where you can log in to see things that you have purchased, which could be a consultation. It could be, you'll see I have all of the things, but you should have a community listed here. So you would say, here's my course library. I want to log in. So it might look like this for you. Go ahead and click on the view product. And that should take you then into the community. When you get here, this is basically your home center is the feed. It has anything that's been updated in the chat, what's going on lately. So you might want to just take a scroll through there. There are updates, announcements at the top. So if you want to view the announcement, you can click there and see the entire announcement. So we had a poll, and then you can say, okay, I don't want to see this again. You have your profile up here. So if it's the first time you're logging in, you'll want to go up here and click on my profile, and that you can update your photo, update some information about yourself. And then so when others view you in the community, they can learn a little bit about you. Here are your notifications. This will tell you all the things you have missed or not read yet. So you could also scan through those. Then we have at the top menu, we've got our feed. Again, that is the different conversations that are going on. So you can scroll through those. Challenges, we put up challenges every week or a couple of weeks. So there may be a couple going on, so you can scroll through and see what challenges are there. When you first start, there are some challenges of getting started. So this is where we recommend that you start introducing yourself to the community, downloading the app. So there's instructions there, and this watching the welcome video. And once you've done those, it will show as completed. You do get badges and different awards for completing things in here too. So you want to check things off and get those awards. And then meetups, this is where we will come to have our meetings. So what they have is this live room inside of Kajabi. So it's just like Zoom, but it's called the live room, and it happens here inside the community. So you can join this from the app or here from the online desktop application. And basically you just click on the event, click on live room, and it will take you there. I can't click on it now because it will start and give everyone a notification that we've started. So you just click on live room, and that will take you to the event. And then videos, we have here a couple of videos that are about the industry. We're going to be adding to these. So there's that welcome video that's part of the first challenge. Then we have some information about publishing, introduction to entrepreneurship and authorship. So there are more videos that we'll be releasing soon as time goes by. If there's something you'd like to see or for us to talk about, the whole goal here in this community is for us to be better as business authors. Once you've written a book, you need to sell that book. You need to market that, promote the book, make a bigger impact, whatever your goals are. And that's what we're here to accomplish. So we want to be building this library that can help you do that as well. And then over here on the left are our conversations. So if you are one of our authors, then you are in the author herd. If you're not, you will not see these chats. There is, if you're in the Authorpreneur community, you've joined outside of being an author with us, that's perfectly fine. And then there are also these areas for us to chat. So the group chat is just general. This is where you'll see polls for upcoming meetings, some conversation, introductions. There's a Q&A. If there's anything you want to ask us about publishing, about marketing, this is where you drop it. These are where we're dropping our introductions and our social links. So the goal here is so everybody can post in their social handles. And then if we're all following each other, we all gain a little bit of community outside of here. We can see what we're doing and encourage each other that way. So be sure to share your Facebook, your Instagram, all that in here. And then sharing is caring. We may add circles later. Circles are just chat groups. The sharing is caring is any resource. If you see an event coming up or you see a resource that you think the others in the group may be interested in, you can just drop it in there in the sharing is caring circle. And that's about all that you need to know. You can find members listed there. If you have any questions, of course, you can always reach out to us either within here or just send us an email. I will pop off of here now and show you how to use the app, which is very similar. It's just smaller on your phone. All right, in this portion of the video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the app. So the app you will have downloaded from the Android or the Apple App Store, and you'll log in the same way that you would online with your ID and the password that you created for yourself in Kajabi. And then when you log in, the navigation is now along the bottom instead of along the left-hand side. So you've got your circles, which is your chat groups, and you will see, if you're an author, you're going to see the ones that are just for authors. Or if you're joined outside of the author group, you're not one of our published authors, then you'll be in the Authorpreneur Community, and you will see there is the group chat. You'll log in here and you'll see all the chat that's been going on. You'll see the Q&A, which is where you can ask us any questions about publishing, marketing, anything that has to do with getting your book finished. And then there are the intros and social links where I was just saying that you want to share your Instagram, your Facebook, YouTube, all those things. And then sharing is caring anywhere you want to drop. So it's the same functionality, exact same chat. So you can pick up where you left off if you go between your laptop and your phone. And then we have challenges, same thing. You can come in here, you get notified when someone else is completed. So really you want to be not only working on this for yourself, but coming in here and encouraging and talking to other people who are in here. So if you get a notification that someone has completed a challenge, which I have already addressed all of them, so I don't have those notifications. You'll also see the little bell up here. That's where you have notifications. It says, someone else reacted to something you wrote. There are people who have completed a challenge. So come in here and respond, give people kudos for the work that they've done, give some feedback. You can go into feed. This is general, all of those things kind of combined into one. This gives you an update of what's been going on. And then the meetups again. So if you want to join one of the meetups from your phone, instead of going to your laptop, you just click on here and click live room and it will pretty much just get started. You just have to give it access to your phone and your microphone before it's going to work. And then we have the videos that you can watch and the library. So it's all exactly the same, just tinier and a little bit, I don't know, for some reason it seems a little easier to navigate, but you can do both on your phone or your laptop, whichever is more convenient for you. And if you have any questions, just shoot us a message in here, the little top button. You can send messages to different members. And you can also just send us an email at info@wildebeestpublishing.com, or you know where to reach us and hit us up however you need to. So thanks for joining. We look forward to having your participation and we'll see you soon.